What's up, everybody? Just left Starbucks, not surprised. Just got done doing some computer work, my client check-ins, edited yesterday's video, and now I'm gonna go for a run. Alright, so I found this app. It's called AllTrails, where you can like search different trails in your neighborhood or just wherever you are located. So I found this one that's a 7.2 mile in and out trail here in Kansas. So I'm about to strap on my shoes and just run some. I don't know how much I'm gonna run, but I've only worn the shoes once, and I kind of want to break them in one more time before the marathon. So I'm gonna strap them on and get the run. Here we go. All right, y'all, run is complete. I did 10 miles at a 10-minute, 13-second pace. My feet are killing me. I really have to make sure my nutrition is on point this week because the marathon is next Saturday, and I think not being on top of my nutrition as far as like just crappy foods, like Five Guys and Jimmy John's probably isn't optimal for a marathon, so time to ramp up the quality. All right, we're at the church. We're about to get dressed up in my tux. I don't really know what the camera status is gonna be like, so I'm probably gonna leave the camera in the van for now, but then after we kind of get things rolling, see if I whip the camera back out, so just bear with me here, y'all. Alright, y'all, we're done with the reception, done with the pictures, done with the wedding, except in reverse order. And I haven't got anything for footage today. I apologize there. I didn't even get a picture or a video of me in my tux. Look pretty suave though. But huge congrats to Alex and his wife, Alex. Super excited for you, super happy for you. Yeah, I'm headed home right now. It's gonna be like 1 or 2 in the morning before I get home, so let's hit the road. Alright, y'all, so not even gonna lie, we just rolled back up to Bryant. I'm back at the warehouse, and yesterday's footage sucked. Like, I got 1 minute of footage, and it just became crazy. We had the wedding. I didn't get any footage of the wedding because it was like not really appropriate to whip the camera out with the style of wedding it was. I decided to just drive back that night, so I left the rehearsal at like 7:30 or 8. I got like halfway, and I'm like crashing hard. I hadn't eaten hardly anything. Super tired, my feet were killing me. The wedding shoes were just like terrible for my feet. I was just in pain. So I stopped at Walmart, bought an air mattress and a comforter and a sheet set it up in the van here. Had to blow it up in the parking lot at Walmart. I got like some sausages and stuff at Walmart. I'm sitting here in my little van bed, sausage eating self, just trying to make it the night with my painful feet. I didn't get much footage, and that's just how it went. And sometimes you're not gonna get much footage, and sometimes the footage is gonna suck. But I'm gonna get at my daily vlog nonetheless and be consistent with it. So we'll chalk today's vlog up as consistency and the fact that I took time, spent time with my best friend Alex, went to his wedding. It was good. With the relationship factor of the 6x6 series coming into play. So congrats, Alex and Alex. Huge success with the wedding. Happy for you, excited for you. And we'll just start today's vlog off fresh and anew and not really have much footage for today. So I apologize, but I still love you. And now that I got a little bit of sleep from my air mattress, I'm excited to tackle the next day.